Ano pa ang dapat nating maintindihan? Before you create your tactic, you need to understand how do they process your claim. So it's like this. When you transmit your claims to PhilHealth, it starts with the e-claims. Pinadala ho ninyo. Once they receive the e-claims, it passes through the pre-payment review. Ito ho yung CF4. Okay? So, malinaw Pag-submit ninyo ng claims electronically, pag-receive ho nila, they will identify kung kanino nila ipapasa ho yung claim ninyo, CF4 prepayment review will happen. So dito pa lang ho sa step number 2, pwede na ho talagang ma-return at ma-deny yung claim ninyo. So, ang question, sino ang gumagawa ng CF4 ninyo? Kasi yung CF4, ang talambuhay na yan, documentation lang. Magaling yung doktor nyo. Okay, ganito. You're the premier hospital in your area. You have the best doctors. You have the highly trained physicians coming from US, Germany, Europe, etc., etc. Kayo ho ang may pinakamagaling na doktor sa bayan ninyo. Question, who's making the CF4? The doctors? Okay, good luck kung sila. So, are your CF4 encoders trained to do it? Because even if you have the best doctors, if you cannot make a good CF4, you will not be paid. It's as simple as that. Okay? Because PhilHealth doesn't care kung saan galing yung doktor nyo. PhilHealth cares, give us what we want to see. Okay? So, ibigay nyo ho sa kanila yung gusto nilang makita sa CF4. So, going back to the slide. The second step is very critical. Kapag hindi ho nila makita yung hinahanap nila, return ho yan or denied. Ito po. Let us say nakalusot ho kayo. So, the claim will be submitted for adjudication. Adjudication means ito ho yung non-clinical review. So, dito ngayon titingnan yung mga attached documents, yung CSF ninyo, consistent ba sa entries doon sa ibang form. So, yan yung adjudication ho yan. Now, kapag na-adjudicate na ho yan, or rather, once sa adjudication, pag hindi ho tugma yung mga pinadala ninyo, okay, pwede din ma-return or ma-deny yung claim ninyo. But the bulk of this is only RTH, kasi non-clinical. Kapag clinical ang problema, mostly it's denied RTH or legal. Okay? Kapag non-clinical ho, bulk of it is RTH lang.